you ever made mac and cheese from a package like this, and you were so frustrated at the end because you didn't have enough of the macaroni, or you had too much cheese or not enough? Well, I sure have. So we're not going to make this tonight. Even though I love Annie's, we're going to make something better. Welcome to the kitchen. I am Busy Dad. Tonight we are making mac and cheese. Now the secret ingredient to our recipe tonight is this. This is powdered cheese, and this is a whole pound of powdered cheese. It took me 35 years on this planet to realize that the people that put the powdered cheese in this box make it in much bigger quantities in a factory somewhere. And you can buy it. With this solution, by using this, you can exactly control how much of each thing is going to be in your mac and cheese, and you never need to worry about having too little or too much come out of that little box. Okay, step one here. Pretty obvious. Let's put in our noodles. Macaroni. These are called cavatelli. Let me show you what they look like. They look exactly like the type of thing that you would expect in mac and cheese. We're going to throw those in, and a whole bunch more. And this is going to be dinner for us and lunch for the kids' lunch tomorrow. If you've been watching this channel for a while, you know I can't seem to make a dish without any vegetables in it. I love my veggies, and they make something like mac and cheese feel super special when you've got some greens kind of perched there on the top or mixed in. Now, if you are a purist and you like your mac and cheese to just be mac and cheese, I totally get it. But today, we're just going to chop up a little bit of vegetables. This keeps things healthy for me, healthy for the family, and it gives me something to do while I'm talking to you. What we're going to do is throw these in while the pasta is cooking. And that way, they'll get cooked a little bit, not too much. And at the end, we'll mix it all up into the mac and cheese. Ooh, I almost forgot. The garden is giving me tons of tomatoes at this time of year. So we'll just put some of these here, slice these up. These we are definitely not going to cook. These are for the top or the side of the plate. Mostly for color, but also because I love fresh tomatoes. Okay, how much cheese do we need? It is kind of hard to say. There is a serving size on this, but I think it's best kind of just to eyeball it. So, a teaspoon is about enough for a child-sized portion of mac and cheese, in my opinion. So we're going to put that in here, and then mix this together with cold milk. You could mix this all in the pot while it's warming up. I feel like it's easier to do ahead of time. Mix, 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 mix. Ooh, I almost forgot to mention, something else you can put in here to make it nice and tangy is some plain yogurt. Greek style or Icelandic style works great too. Unfortunately, in my kitchen tonight, I have got blueberry, I have black cherry, I have vanilla. I have no plain yogurt, so we are not going to put those in. Okay, our pasta is almost done cooking. I am getting too full of potato chips, and so I'm going to take a break from the potato chips and start putting in some of these vegetables. This is kale. That's going in first. Just cook for a few minutes there, not very long. We've also got some celery and some onion. And then the tomato will go on top at the end. If you like to have mac and cheese with no vegetables, just mac, just cheese, you can definitely do that. I totally hear you. Tonight, we're doing both. As soon as we've drained our pasta, we're left with a pot on the stove, into which goes the coconut oil, number one, and number two, this mixture of milk and the cheese mix. So we're going to throw this in here, Mix it up until it's pretty fine, and then toss in the remainder of our ingredients. And in goes the rest of that. Give that a nice toss up. See what happens. Okay, here we go. This is our mac and cheese with vegetables. I don't know about you. I think that looks pretty great. Let's give it a try. This is the best part, when we get to try what we made. It's good. And I'm not surprised. If you liked this video, and I hope you did, click the bell to get notified when I release another video. Click like, subscribe, and let me know what you think in the comments. And then, join me next time when Busy Dad is cooking.